Hello everyone, welcome back to my mini vlog. Today's video we're going to cook winter melon soup. Here's are the marinade ingredients. We have pork, white pepper, Shaoxing wine, salt, cornstarch. Here's are the cooking ingredients. We have scallop and ham, goji berries, winter melon, marinated pork, mushroom, cooking oil, and salt. Let's start cooking. Heat the oil first. Then fry the winter melon. Stir for a while. After boiled water. Add scallop and ham. Add pork. Then stir. Add mushrooms. Then add goji berries. Cook around 15 minutes. Done cooking. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.